Hello everyone, this is Shubham. Uh, Today we will learn the deauthentication attack. First thing comes first, what is deauthentication attack? So you can say this is a kind of DOS attack which is used to target the communication between user and a Wi-Fi or a wireless device. So what all we required for this deauthentication attack? First thing is we need a Wi-Fi adapter using which we can capture the data, uh, and after that we need three programs: air mod ng, air aerodump ng, and air replay ng. This is aerodump ng to put the adapter in monitor mode, aerodump ng to for packet capturing, and airplay to inject the packets. And like these three programs are already inbuilt in Kali, or if you don't use in Kali, then you can download the aircrack ng suite. Like all these three are the part of aircrack ng suite only. So let's begin. Now we will do now let's check all the interface present. So right now our adapter is not there, so we will connect our adapter. Okay, so this is connected. Now again we will run. Yeah, this is my wireless adapter, and now we can check, like we have to check the mode where the adapter is in. So we will do IW config. The difference in if config and IW config is that if config will show you all the interface, and IW config will show only the wireless interfaces. So this is our wireless interface, which is in the manage mode. Now we have to change this in monitor mode. The reason behind that is that if it is in the manage mode, then it will capture only those packets which are coming to our network, that is which is coming to this Kali system only. And if we are changing it to monitor mode, then it will capture all the packets, like it can capture all the data and all the packets. It can monitor all the things which is which is there in its range. Okay, so first of all we need to make it into the monitor mode, so let's do it. This is our wireless adapter, and then this. Now we will kill all the process running over. Like it is not necessary to kill, but the thing is that if we will kill, we will in the safe side, like it will not interrupt our attack, so we are killing this. When we will kill this, like when we will kill all the interfaces, you can see my network is gone. In this attack we don't need any internet connectivity. Okay, now let's do it again. Yes, up. And now we need to set the mode in monitor mode. Sorry, it will be IW config, not if config. Okay, now let's check it out. First we need to so you can see here it came into monitor mode. Okay, Now we need to look what all network are present in our range. Okay, like now we have to do packet sniffing, and for that we will use arrow dump ng. Okay, so like what will be the frequency and like up to what range it is going to capture. You can see from here, like all the network of frequency 2.4, that is 2.5, till that it can capture, and the networks which will in the 5 gigahertz, that will not be captured by this wireless adapter. But if it is like some effective which can capture 5 gigahertz, so that can also be possible. So the adapter I am using, with that you can only capture the network which is in this frequency. Now let's see what all network present in our range. So here, so this these three are the networks present in our range. Let me see if it my, yeah, these three are there which is present in our range. Okay, so instead of attacking over some another network, let's attack on our network only. Before moving ahead, we'll let you know few basic things as well. Like this shows the power. The better the power, more effective will be our attack. Like it will easier to connect. Like I can say this is right now with this 3 value, this has the far better power. This is the inscription technique they are using. This is the name of the like Wi-Fi adapter. Okay, so these two are the connected to our, these two are connected to Shubham, that is my network. One is my mobile and one is my laptop. Okay, to stop this we will use Control C. Now we need to look after the packets. Like we need to see the specific like packets moving from a specific network, like uh, only for this or only for this. Like instead of getting generalized, we will now go for a specific one. So there's the command. This is the BSS ID. And we need to put off the channel over which it is. That is 3. And then name of our wireless adapter. So it's very simple. This is the program name, then BSS ID, that is the MAC address of our router, then channel over which it is acting, and then the wireless adapter. So let's see. These three devices are connected to this particular router. Okay, so we need to check which one is ours so that we can verify with this. So this is my laptop physical address, so this one will be my own address. Okay, yeah. So let's open one more terminal. So now we will use the program error replay ng to attack for this attack. Like airplay ng will inject the packet so that the communication will stop between the user and the client. Right now let's see if I have this. Like This is the crack NG suits, and these all are the part of that, like here play, here mon NG, here dub NG. You can check it out. Now let's see if we can open something. How to open? Let's open Google. Yeah, it's opening. Now we will do the attack and let's see if it is working or not. ANG sorry, this will be BSS ID. BSS ID, that means, as we have seen earlier, this is the BSS ID. So no, sorry, here we don't need BSS ID. Here we will use the command deauth. Now we will give a large number of packets so that it remains disconnected for a long time. Okay, now it will be -a and then BSS ID. This will be the BSS ID, that is the MAC address of our router. Okay, and -c, then MAC address of our system. Like, it is not showing right now. It is connected. Yeah, it came. It is here. Copy. And then device. So it is started. Let's see if it's working still or not. No, it's not. Look, it will keep you showing loading, but it will not load unless it's not getting completed. It's a kind of DOS attack, like it's blocking the communication between the user and the channel. Okay, let's see. This site cannot be reached, no internet access. Okay, now let's do it. Now we will stop this one. Done. Let's see, here also it was gone, there's no internet access. Now we will wait for some time to let us get this connected again. We have disconnected that particular thing. Now we will again now it is connected. Yeah, it's done, it's okay. So like, if you want to check it again, then we can again go for that. Soon this network will get disconnected after reaching some packets. See, it's gone. And again we will stop this. It came. Thank you to have this. This was all for the educational purpose. Do it.